Behind me here is the Osage County Courthouse in Linn, Missouri. This was built in 1923. We're going to walk around, check this courthouse out, see what Linn has to offer. Come along with us. Linn doesn't really have much of a square. They call this a square, but it's more of a parking lot with a Mexican restaurant and a insurance company. There's a big bank over here called Legends, which seems to sponsor quite a bit of stuff in town here. This park is the Legends Bank Park, and it's kind of an interesting setup. This road that the courthouse is on is US Route 50. So if you're not familiar with US Route 50, this is a highway that runs all the way from Ocean City, Maryland to, I believe, Sacramento. So if you want to travel across the country on 2 lanes, hit tiny towns like this, US 50 will get you there. Well, there's not a whole lot going on in Linn, here at Osage County seat. But we are gonna wrap it up, call it a day, and move on to the next one. So that'll do it here.